Okay, I have created a PR, a pull request about page size of the pager in admin, and I implemented it on the tenants admin. So there is now this page.
You can minimize this window, minimize it, remove it, whatever. Yeah. Good.
There is now a drop-down list to select how many elements, how many items you want to display. So you see I changed to 25, and there is now 25 items displayed, and just 2 pages available. If you choose a number greater than the number of items, the pager will disappear, and you can come back to the default number of items, and when you are selecting it, it's just concatenating, appending a page size query string parameter in the URL.
Cool. I love it, but I hate pagers.
Yeah.
And question.
Mm-hmm.
Question. So, does it comply with the paging settings we have in the settings, in the options? Like, so we have a default page size, right, in the settings, and we have.
It should be improved because we need to see if we are using, as you said, the general settings of are we doing it on each page, for example, on tenants, on content items.
Yeah, so when you start with that, people will want the same feature everywhere, right? It's good. I mean, it's good to be able to change the size of the page per page, and also dynamically, like, oh, now I want 10 and now I want 500, whatever. Today we have a general setting, so you can just set it once for every screen. The main concern I have is that at least it should comply with the max page size that we define in settings. So you can't have page size that is bigger than that, and check it also on the URL. So if someone types page size equals 1000, that we just revert back to the max one that we allow in the settings for perf reasons. Otherwise, you could get a site down because it will try to load all this number of content items, and then maybe a memory exception or whatever, I don't know. So we need to take that into account.
Yeah. And this is using a data-URL attribute in the drop-down list, as it is done on the setup.js for the culture. So
I have no idea what it is. I'm sure when you show me, I will remember. What does it mean, data URL?
In the select, there is a data URL attribute.
Something special. Well, how is that important?
It's not. It's just.
Just the implementation detail that you want to explain how it's using. So it's just that from jQuery, when you click it, so you have some script that when it's clicked, it will pick up this URL data and then follow this argument. Okay, that's it, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. I was wondering if it was a custom feature, custom behavior we have somewhere. And when you mentioned the setup, you mean we already have that in the setup? In which way?
Oh, in setup in the culture picker.
Because we have paging there.
No, not paging, but a drop-down list. Tenants with non-initialized tenant.
I see the drop down. Okay, I see the setup screen. Okay, Culture Picker. Now I get it. And then when you select, okay, so it's the same kind of implementation. Okay, good. Perfect. Oh, it's French.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Still not French. Dude.
No, just this
is.
one.
No, it's English. It's two French words, but it's an English sentence. Oh my God. Yeah. So I still haven't fixed that. Interesting. So sad. Maybe because we just need to update the references to the package versions. Okay. Beautiful. Thank you.